Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to check dice limit in Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application on your device and head to the main game screen. Here, to see your dice limit, look at the dice counter below the Go button. So, this is the maximum dice you can hold before they stop regenerating automatically. So the dice limit will be at the right side of this slash. That is, in my case, 40. So you'll be seeing your dice limit just at the bottom of this go button in this blue bar. You will see your dice limit after the slash on your screen. So the dice will automatically refill up to your limit over time. If you want to increase this limit, progress through the game, completing milestones that boost your refill rate. If you need more dice, you can complete missions under quick wins, participate in events, or collect daily rewards. Inviting friends can also earn you additional dice. So that's the way to check Monopoly Go dice limit. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.